Modern life is increasingly bustling and hectic. We wake up each morning to a packed schedule, endless meetings, and ever-growing pressures. Do you feel exhausted as each day seems like an endless race? Moments of relaxation and tranquility seem like a distant luxury. Have you ever wondered if we've lost something important? Freedom, the joy of simple things, the feeling of being connected to nature. There's a lifestyle that's becoming more appealing to those wanting to escape this whirlwind, nomadic living. A life unbound by location or time, just you and the road ahead. But do you have the courage to try? Today, we'll explore this lifestyle together, understand why it's so captivating, and see if you're brave enough to give it a go. Let's embark on this journey. Introducing the nomadic lifestyle. Have you ever sat in an office, staring at a computer screen, then suddenly daydreamed about a life with no deadlines, no emails, just you, nature, and a van? That's the dream of nomadic living. A lifestyle many of us only dare to dream of, but few actually try. Imagine waking up not to face grumpy colleagues, but to a meadow of wildflowers or a serene lakeside. Sounds enticing, right? So what exactly is nomadic living? In reality, it's a lifestyle practiced for thousands of years, long before washing machines, microwaves, and smartphones. Nomads constantly move, never staying in one place, pursuing endless journeys across new lands in search of water, food, and Instagram-worthy spots. But don't be mistaken. Nomadic living isn't just about images of shepherds wandering the Mongolian steppes or tiny tents in the Sahara Desert. In modern times, this lifestyle has been upgraded into a new version suitable for those who can't live without Wi-Fi. Nowadays, many young people are becoming digital nomads. They work remotely with laptops on their laps, live in vans outfitted like mini apartments, and travel from charming coastal cities to majestic mountains. Don't be fooled. They're not just traveling indefinitely, but blending work and travel, or in other words, working anytime, anywhere. Doesn't that sound ideal? If you're thinking, wow, this life is so free and amazing, then you're not alone. The allure of nomadic living lies in its freedom, liberation from traditional constraints, and the sense that each day is a new adventure. But before you quit your job and rush to buy a van, remember that this lifestyle also comes with its challenges. But we'll save that for the next part. So, nomadic living isn't just about exploring new lands. It's a journey to rediscover freedom, connect with nature, and sometimes connect with yourself. Are you ready to step out of your comfort zone and try becoming a nomad? Challenges and benefits of nomadic living. Imagine waking up one day, opening the door, and being greeted by an endless field of wildflowers. Or another day, finding yourself sitting on a beach, toes in the waves, while working on your laptop. Nomadic living sounds like a dream, right? But what's the reality? Yes, nomadic living offers the freedom and flexibility many people crave. You're not tied to one place, no more morning traffic jams, and you can explore new areas without being restricted by short vacations. But hold on, not everything is rosy. Have you ever tried working remotely when your phone is at 2% battery with nowhere to charge it? Or faced a storm in the middle of the night with your only shelter being a van? These situations aren't just challenges, but real tests of your resilience. If you can overcome them, you're truly a hero in your own story. But don't worry, these difficulties come with worthy rewards. Nomadic living grants you absolute freedom. You can go anywhere you want, stay as long as you like, and experience life in the most authentic way. You'll learn to solve problems on your own, become more adaptable, and most importantly, appreciate the small yet precious things in life. Moreover, you'll have the chance to meet like-minded people from around the world, share stories, experiences, and perhaps enjoy some amazing coffee. This lifestyle isn't for the stability-seeking, but if you love adventure, challenges, and want to experience life from a completely new perspective, then it's the perfect lifestyle for you. So, nomadic living offers significant challenges, but also provides benefits that not everyone gets to experience. You'll need to give up the comforts of a fixed life for endless adventures. But if you dare to try, these experiences will surely be memorable milestones in your life. Now, do you have the courage to step into the world of nomads? Suggestions for beautiful places to embrace nomadic living. Hello, adventure lovers. Today, we have a special gift for you. Amazing destinations you can't miss if you're dreaming of a nomadic lifestyle. Imagine waking up every morning to breathtaking natural scenery and sleeping under a starry sky. This dream could become a reality. We've explored hidden corners of our planet and found ideal spots for you to experience your dream nomadic life. Get ready for an unforgettable journey where each day is a new adventure. From stunning beaches to vast fields and majestic mountains, all await you. First up is Bali, a tropical paradise with white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. Here, you can camp on the beach, enjoy tranquility, and witness beautiful sunsets. Alternatively, head to Switzerland, where lush green meadows and majestic forests create the perfect backdrop for your nomadic lifestyle. Next, don't miss the vibrant flower fields in New Zealand, where you can camp and feel deeply connected with nature. And if you crave adventure in harsh conditions, visit Colorado with its snow-capped mountains, where you can challenge yourself and enjoy the awe-inspiring scenery. These places are not just stunning backdrops for your nomadic lifestyle, but also offer opportunities to find peace, freedom, and connect with yourself. We hope these suggestions inspire you in your quest for an exciting and meaningful life. So, are you ready to hit the road? Wishing you incredible travels and unforgettable experiences. So there you have it. We've explored the allure of the nomadic lifestyle, a life unbound, and an endless journey. But remember, it's not just about the places you'll visit, but what you'll feel along the way. And now, it's your turn. Let us know in the comments. If you could choose one place to start your nomadic life, where would it be? Maybe a sunny beach or a lush meadow? Share your ideas and tell us what excites you about this lifestyle. But remember, nomadic living isn't just a lifestyle. It's a journey to discover yourself. Let the allure of freedom guide you and make each day a new story. If you're excited about trying this lifestyle, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch our upcoming videos on more adventures. Now, are you brave enough to try? Don't let the opportunity slip by. Let life lead the way for you.